How can you create an organized folder structure for your project Handover? Closeout Pro offers an innovative solution. Closeout Pro allows you the flexibility to customize your folder structure. You can rename sections, show or hide them, and rearrange their order to suit your preferences. After setting up the document structure and reviewing your sections, you can download the folder structure from the Closeout Manual tab. A structured folder will be generated for each section, complete with a cover page and a table of contents. The table of contents is available in a PDF format and includes hyperlinks for easy navigation between sections. Each section will also have its own index, which is similarly hyperlinked, allowing you to quickly access and open any file directly from the index of that particular section. Thus, you can get to the exact information within a few clicks. No more browsing through the hundreds of pages of the manual, and there is more. Follow us to find out more such ways. Closeout Pro handles your closeouts and warranties smartly